Here we are in Snapshot. I want to show you some of the really nice new capabilities we have to automatically improve code coverage in your Apex classes. It starts with our code coverage report. Now this report will show all of your Apex tests down the left-hand side, and you can just select one of the tests and you'll see the classes that are being tested and the coverage for each class. You can check any number of these boxes on the left-hand side, and when you go to the Display Report tab, you will get a complete report on all of your code coverage, as well as dashboards that can be exported in various formats. If you go to this tab here, the Code Coverage tab, you'll see all of your different classes and the degree of coverage that they have. For example, some are untested, some have strong coverage, others have weaker coverage, and you can see the covered lines and the uncovered lines right here. But let's say that you're over here on the first tab and you select an Apex test and you see that it's a little weak on coverage. You can tell by the yellow color. It's only at 60%. What you can do is bring up the editing palette and click the Coverage Improvement button. Now what this brings up is an AI-powered interface that on the one hand has all of the Apex classes being tested, and on the other hand has the test class itself right here. And you can edit the prompts and do various things like that. But for the most part, all you need to do is click the Submit button. And when you do that, we generate a brand new test class over here that has additional tests that really boost your code coverage. So with respect to the classes being tested and to your business requirements, it does a really good job of improving your test classes. If you click OK, you'll see the deployment button show up here. And if you click that, you can see your test class is selected. It's different. And you can dive into the diffs here and see that what AI has done is added some tests here to the bottom of the test class. And you can go deploy this metadata. There were no errors. And now if we go back, we see that we're going to go from a 60% coverage all the way up to 90%. So the other thing you can do is you can check any number of these boxes over here at left and click the Multiple Improvements button. And what this will do will correct the test classes on any number of selected tests. So you can literally correct all of your code coverage and deploy the changes in 2 clicks. All right, that's the new changes to the code coverage report from Metazoa Snapshot.